What's up guys, Random Racer here with another iPhone video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out Mujo's leather wallet case for the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So for those of you who are in the market for an Apple leather alternative case at a much more affordable price and offer a bit more functionality, this one here from Mujo may be a good choice for you. This one here is their leather wallet case, which is available in black as well as a tan brown color. So first off, the case comes in this very high quality cardboard packaging, magnetically opens like so. You can see here, Mujo has listed some of the highlighted features of their case, and you got the case in the center here, and some more additional information on the right side. Alright, taking a closer look at the Mujo leather case. Again, this is a full leather case, so the leather wraps around the entire back, around the camera lens, the sides, around the buttons, over the bezels, and into the interior part of the sides, stopping just underneath the microfiber lined backing. The leather that they use is very high quality. It's a vegetable tan leather, and I don't know how Mujo does it, but this is literally, with the exception of the pocket here, the entire case is wrapped in a single piece of leather, which gives it a nice seamless design and a very high quality look. Alright, so let's slap the iPhone in. You can see here I got my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I do have a camera lens protector and a back skin on, which hopefully shouldn't interfere with this case. I usually go volume button side first, and it should just slide into place. So here is a look at the case here. You can see the black leather blends in very nicely with the graphite iPhone color. This little card here is just a little demo to show you obviously what the cards look like. It also features the serial number of what case that you have. Taking a quick overview of this case, starting off at the front here, you can see it is compatible with my edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector, so no issues there. The leather bezel does wrap around the entire border of the iPhone, so you have a good amount of edge protection and lips just above the glass display. Moving on to the side of the case here, we do have leather covers for the power button, as well as the volume rockers here, little cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch, and the covers do work. You get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, and they feel like actual buttons. On the bottom of the case, you have 3 individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning ports. Lastly, on the back side of the case, you can see full leather design, which you guys saw already. There's also a precision cutout for the triple lens camera module. The cutout itself is also raised above the case for added protection, which is kind of nice. And you can see here, this lens protector that I have on doesn't interfere with the case at all. The wallet portion, very nice stitching all the way around the pocket. The Mujo logo engraved on the bottom. And just to double check if this can actually fit 2 cards. Yeah, 2 cards can fit, but it's a really tight fit. So it's definitely something that's really meant for 1 card. Obviously not made to be a wallet replacement case by any means, but for those of you who have a card that you use frequently, like a debit card or a bus pass, something like that, then having it right on your phone, easily accessible, can be a little bit worthwhile. One additional con I just realized I overlooked is MagSafe. This does not have MagSafe built in. It will work with wireless chargers, but for those of you who use MagSafe accessories, unfortunately this case does not have that feature built in. And just a quick test of the wireless charging function, you can still kind of feel the magnets when I pull it into the correct place, and once it does, it should start charging your iPhone. There we go. So wireless charging does work, but again, unfortunately, you can't take advantage of the MagSafe function. Overall, guys, I have to say, Mujo has done an excellent job with this case. It's a very well crafted case that I would dare say rivals Apple's own leather cases in regards to the quality and craftsmanship. The leather that Mujo uses is very high quality. It's a vegetable tan leather, looks nice, feels nice, smells nice, and just like Apple's cases, I'm still amazed by the fact that Mujo has managed to take literally, with the exception of the wallet pocket, 1 full piece of leather and wrap it around the entire case, the sides, the bezels, and right into the inside of the case without having to have any stitches or any cuts. The case is also very minimalistic. You can see here from the edges, it's a very slim style case while still giving you full-size case protection. In other words, protecting the back, the sides, the bottom, and a little bit of the top bezel. And because of this minimalistic design, it doesn't add a whole lot of extra bulk to the iPhone for those of you looking for something that offers full-size case protection in a minimalistic form factor. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, I guess the only thing I could say is because of its minimalistic design, it's not going to have as much drop protection protection as a thicker case like an OtterBox. So it's definitely something that's going to help because it covers all corners and sides of the iPhone, but because of its thinner form factor, it may not protect your phone as well as a thicker case. In conclusion, guys, if you're in the market for a high quality leather case that's minimalistic yet rivals Apple's own leather case at a much more affordable price, you definitely can't go wrong with Mujo's leather wallet case. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.